Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the MCQ real number, that is the third part. So we have completed the two parts of MCQ of the chapter real numbers. We'll move on to the third part. In the previous class we were solving one problem, that is find the value of value m. HCF 144 and 180 is expressed in the form that is 13m minus 16. So this will solve here in this class. So take the number given is 144 and 180. So we'll take this, finding the value of m. So 180 is equal to, take the number 144, so into 1 plus 36. So what happens, this one 144 plus 36 will be 10, 3, 4, this will be 8 and 180. So therefore 144 into 1 plus 36, take this number 144 as equal to, this one is 36 into 4 plus 0. So now we are getting m as 36. M is equal to 36. So 13 into 36. 3 6 are 18, 8 1, 6 1s are 6 1 7, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 8 9 10, 6 9 10 6 1 4 6 8. Okay, so here in this problem m is 36. So finding the value of m, take this two number, find the HCF of the two number. So m is the 36 is the value of m. Now we'll move on to the next problem, that is the following equations. The following linear equations as infinitely many solution. For what value of m and n, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and m plus n x plus 2 2m minus n y is equal to 2m minus 1. So we'll find out the solution for this one. So we have to find out m and n values. So take the equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and m plus n x plus 2 into m minus n into y is equal to 5m minus 1. So for infinitely many solution, we'll take this one 3 by this one 3 and 3, m plus n is equal to, that is 4, here this one is 4, so therefore here m minus n, therefore 2 into m minus n. Next is c is 12, so minus 12 if it comes inside the sign, then this one is minus 5m minus 1. So now we'll take this one 3m plus n is equal to this one 4 by 2m minus n, which is equal to, cross multiply this, we'll get m minus 5n is equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. So now we'll take 4 by, that is 2 into m minus n is equal to 12 by this one, that is 5m, that is minus minus cancel, 5m minus 1, which is equal to m minus 6n. Simplify this, cross multiply both and simplify. So after this we'll get one more equation, m minus 6n minus 1 is the second equation. So solving 1 and 2. So take the equation 1, that is m minus, so I'll just take this equation, m minus 5n. So first we took 3 m plus n, then this one. These two we took, this one, and we cross multiply, we got the equation 1. Then next we are taking these two for, that is infinitely many solution. We are taking these two and m minus 5n is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. So m minus 6n is equal to minus 1. So take this equation, then solve this. So minus, plus and plus here. Cancel this, we'll get, that is n here equal to minus will become plus, we are getting n. Now substitute n is equal to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1, what is equation 1? That is m minus 5n is equal to 0. So m is minus 5 into 1 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 5. So we are getting n is equal to 1 and m is equal to 5. This is the solution for this second problem. So we move on to the third problem. So what is the third problem? We'll see. So third problem is the pair of equations x is equal to a and y is equal to b graphically represent lines which are. So there are 4 options. So they given the problem, the pair of equation x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So we have to find out which is the option correct here. So we have few points here. We have to just take this. X is equal to a is the equation of a straight line. So this is the first point. X is equal to a is the equation of the straight line parallel to, continue here, parallel to the y-axis, at a distance a from it. So this is the first point. X is equal to a is the equation of the straight line parallel to the y-axis at a distance a from it. So this is the, again next is y is equal to b. Next point is the same thing, is the equation of a straight line parallel to the x-axis at a distance. So y is equal to b is given, b from it. So the pair of equations x is equal to a and y is equal to b graphically represents lines which are intersecting at a. Finally the point is pair of equations. So this is the solution for this question. 2 points are there. The pair of equations x is equal to a and y is equal to b graphically represents lines which are intersecting at AB. So this is the few points. So just here the question is, we have 2 points I have just written, that's all. This is for your reference. So option A is the correct answer. So intersecting at AB. So we move on to the fourth problem. So fourth problem is the decimal expansion of, so the decimal expansion of 23 by 2 cube into 5. So we'll see what is the decimal expansion, that is 23 by 2 square into 5. This can be written as, see, the power is in the denominator is 2, therefore 23 by 2 square, we have to make the power, here also numerator 2, therefore 5 square, we make this into 5 square. Therefore next step is 23 into 25 by 2 into 5, the whole square is equal to 23 into 25 will become 115, then 10 square. Therefore 115 by 100 is equal to 1.15. So the decimal expansion of this rational number will become the option 2, that is 1.15. This is the solution for the fourth problem. We move on to the fifth one. So fifth problem. Consider the lines represented by the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 6, or 4 options are given: intersecting, parallel, coincident, or none. Here the problem, first, what is the solution? Take the two equation. A1 is 2, this one. This is A1, B1 and C1. This is A1, B1 and C1. A1 is 2, B1 is 1 and C1 is minus 3. And now next is A2. This one is A2, 2 and 2 either. This one A2 is 4, B2 is equal to 2 and C2 is equal to 6. Minus 6. Okay, minus 6, and this one is minus 3. Therefore, we have A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So now we'll substitute this one. 2 by 4 is equal to B1 is 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 6. So cancel. So here 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. Hence, what is the conclusion? Hence, lines are coincident. Lines are coincident. So option C is the correct answer. So take the equation and write down here, substitute, and we are getting the equal values. So the answer is the lines are coincident. We move on to the sixth problem. The sixth problem is, which of the following number is not irrational? So which of the problems are not irrational? So we'll see this option. So here 3 plus root 7 into 3 minus root 7. So multiply this, what we get, 3 square plus 3 root 7 minus 3 root 7 minus root 7 the whole square. So 2 square and this one cancel, root cancels. We are now getting 9. This one cancels. Plus or minus cancel. Minus 7 is equal to 2. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Therefore, the option 4 is not irrational. So here option 4 is the correct answer. So this is the solution for the 6th. We move on to the 7th problem. So the 7th problem given is, in the equation given, find the value of k for which pair of equations kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 will have infinitely many solutions. So infinitely many solutions. So what is the solution? We'll see. So we'll take the equations kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3. Here also a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this one is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Therefore a1 is k, b1 is minus 1, c1 is minus 2. Similarly a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 3. Now substituting here in this equation, k by, that is 6 is equal to by minus 1 by minus 2, minus cancel, is equal to c1 is minus 2, c3 is minus 3. So we are getting k by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So now we have these two, we get 2, consider this 2k is equal to 6, then k is equal to 2 ones are 2 threes are, k is equal to 3. Next we'll take these two will take, then we have, that is k by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. So cross multiply this, 3k is equal to 12, 2 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are, k will be 4. Finally we have, for infinitely many solution, k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4. So the value of k, they have asked the value of k. So for infinitely many solution, we have k is equal to 3 and k is the 4. So now we move on to the 8th problem. So 8th problem is, the largest number that divides 70 and 125, which leaves the remainder 5 and 8 is. So we have to take these numbers, the options are given. So here we have to find out the number. So take this number, that is 70 minus 5 is equal to 65. Next 125 minus 8 is equal to 111. So these two numbers we got. Next HCF of 65 and 117 is equal to. So we'll take this number, the largest number first, then 65 into 1 plus 52. Next we'll take 65 is equal to 52 into 1 plus 13. Therefore 52 is equal to 13 into 4 plus 0. 0 is the remainder, so 13 is the value. So 13 is the answer. So here we take option 1 as the correct answer. This is the procedure. Take the given number and take these reminders, that is 70 minus 5 is 65 and 125 minus 8 is equal to 117. Take these two numbers and find the HCF of these two numbers. How? Take the larger number this side, then 65 into 1 plus 52 will be 117. Then 65 is equal to, take this 65, then 52 here, 52 into 1 plus 13 will be 65, then take 52, then 13 into 4 will be 54 plus 0 is the remainder. So 13 is the correct answer for this 8th problem. So this concludes the today's class. If you have any doubts in any problem, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.